Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, Basham RC. Part 3 of the build, of the Bandit drag build. Guess what? We're out here, we're gonna test her out. I actually picked up a body, painted it and everything. So, I'm gonna give you guys a little glimpse, or maybe do a little montage for y'all one time. So, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do a little couple test passes, see how she's riding. Y'all in it for it? Mine as well. Y'all been at it this far already, so let's see what she do, alright? Let's get to it. Alright, here we are. Got signal now. First test pass. Not too bad. Alright guys, so y'all let me know what y'all think. Does the car look good or what? I think it looks pretty good. Anyway, trying to see if Rich from Rich RC wants to do a little drag racing. I guess let's make something happen, right? Alright. Well guys, that ends it for today. Test and tune on the new drag build by the Bandit. So yeah, stay tuned for more upgrades. So until then, y'all know what time it is. Basham RC.